This Valentine's Day, join us in celebrating the spirit of love, unity, and the timeless legacy of one of Jamaica's most iconic figures, Bob Marley.
Redemption songs.
When you write that?
All my life.
Bob Marley wasn't just a musician, he was a symbol of hope, peace, and cultural revolution. His music transcended borders, inspiring millions around the globe to stand up for justice and equality.
Don't let them fool you.
That's a hit.
Oh, no.
Reggae is the people music.
You know you're a superstar.
I am a superstar. You can't separate the music and the message. You see, reggae
Now,
music.
as we commemorate Valentine's Day, let's embrace the opportunity to spread love in its purest form. Let's honor the memory of Bob Marley, the national hero whose words and melodies continue to resonate with us all.
On December 3rd, 1976, would-be assassins invaded Bob Marley's home and attempted to take the life of the singer, his wife, and
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
The Bob Marley movie is more than just a film, it's a journey through the life, struggles, and triumphs of a man whose music touched the hearts of millions.
Going on. Oh, I can't bring peace. I can't even get peace for myself.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, it's by my doorstep,
Sometimes
singing.
the messenger has to become the message.
Don't worry about a thing.
Bob, I know it's dangerous,
Every little thing gonna be alright.
but you're the only one who can unite the people.
So, as you make plans for Valentine's Day, consider embracing the spirit of love by supporting the Bob Marley movie. Whether you're spending the day with a partner, friends, or simply reflecting on the love within your own heart, let's come together to honor the legacy of Bob Marley.
And that time is now.
Spread the love this Valentine's Day. Join us in theatres to experience the magic of Bob Marley's story, a story of love, resilience, and the power of music to unite us all.
Don't